So yeah, we are here. And what are we gonna do? Yeah, we are supposed to talk about our channel, huh? So let me fix this first. Ouch. Yeah, so let's see if we talk about our channel, what kind of channel this is. Well, it's more like a, long story short, it's gonna be a personal archive, because you guys will see I have lectures about different topics in mathematics and physics. I'm a physicist, so obviously there's gonna be always some math and physics going on. And then comes the second point, which is, why am I uploading bike content? Well, I mean, I love a motorcycle, and I've been trying to get one since 20. I don't even remember how many years this has been. Are we still recording? Yeah. It's been about 2018 or something. So, I'm glad that I was finally able to buy a motorcycle, and with my own money, of course, by God's grace. And yeah, it will be more like a personal archive, because maybe someday I'm gonna grow old, someday I won't be able to do this anymore, and that someday I'm gonna look back to these days and say I had a good life. Nice view, pretty nice view. So yeah, this short video is really about how I'm gonna use my channel. I'm not a professional content creator or anything, but yeah, I'm just gonna pretend I'm using my mobile for some weird reason, and pretend that I don't know anything. I cannot open my messenger, that's fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be in personal archive, so I'll post some photos of it, and let's see if you guys enjoy, and I'll get back to you soon, because people are watching me. I'm being weirded out. Yeah. Seriously?